Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing, build, and setup on my new metal garage door storage cabinet. As I started to put together the storage cabinet, you can really feel how strong and solid the metal is. The surface has a special coating to prevent like rust, which means it's built to last. Plus, it's environmentally friendly with no toxic smells. The assembly is straightforward and the cabinet feels very durable. What's really nice as we were putting it together was the 360-degree wheels, which let you move it around easily even if there are heavy tools inside. And if you need it to stay put, then you can just securely lock the wheel so it won't roll away. As I begin to finish the build, you'll notice the adjustable shelves. They're really versatile. You can change the height to fit whatever tools or supplies you need. The metal feels very sturdy and each shelf can hold up to 120 pounds, which is great if you're storing with those heavy power tools. Awesome, and this is what it looks like once it's fully set up. I went ahead and started putting some of my tools on here. Starting from the top, the cabinet offers 3 lockable drawers, perfect for keeping your smaller tools and more valuables secure. You can easily lock them with the keys included, making it ideal for storing items you don't want others to access. Each drawer slides open smoothly, making it easy to access what you need without any hassle. The drawers are built deep enough to store a wide range of tools, from hand tools like screwdrivers and pliers to smaller power tools. What's cool is you could even organize it with dividers if you wanted, just to keep everything nice and tidy. Alright, and now let's look at the bottom section, which features a 2-door locking cabinet, providing extra space for those larger items. This is where you can store bulkier tools or supplies that you need to be tucked away but still easily accessible. The door closes smoothly and locks securely, giving you peace of mind for both safety and privacy. And like I mentioned earlier, you are able to lock the drawer. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and lock this area right here. Perfect. And then I'll go ahead and show you that you can also lock the bottom one as well. As you can see, the doors close smoothly and lock securely. One of the really handy features of the storage cabinet is the built-in side tool rack and removable hooks. The hooks give you the perfect spot to hang tools like wrenches, hammers, or any of those items that you frequently use. It's simple but effective way to keep your space organized. The cabinet is well balanced, and even when fully loaded, it stays sturdy and secure thanks to these 360-degree rotating wheels. So when you need it to just stay put in place, whether in your garage or your shop, the locking mechanism ensures that they won't shift or roll out of position. So if you guys are looking for a new storage cabinet for your garage or your shop, I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.